working to continue to keep services available to the county, and we're addressing the situation. Spartanburg County and its emergency management professionals have been and will continue to actively monitor SCDHEC and CDC guidance on response to COVID-19 coronavirus. Spartanburg County will continue to take progressive and proportionate measures where appropriate to ensure the safety of the public and of our employees. SCDHEC remains the lead agency in charge of COVID-19 coronavirus, responsible for the state and localities. To date, SCDHEC has not requested any specific action be taken by the county. The county maintains a pandemic flu continuity of operations guidelines, amongst other plans, guidelines, and procedures established by Spartanburg County Emergency Management for situations such as this. These guidelines outline 3 levels of operational response based upon the public health risk posed by any pandemic. At each declared level, services are progressively adjusted to reduce risk for the public, improve response capability, and temporarily reduce non-essential services or otherwise adjust staffing. Last week, the county initiated our level 1 response from our guidelines, whereby we sought input from departments and officials on how services may be impacted by absenteeism, began executing internal communication protocols, increased cleaning and sanitation efforts for public facilities, and taking on other action as outlined in level 1 responses. This week, based on the guidance and actions of the federal and state governments, we are adjusting to level 2 response protocols. Efforts to improve readiness and response will be enhanced, and we have begun reducing services in public-facing areas to align with other federal and state guidance. Effective last night, all after-school programs and associated recreational offerings have been canceled until further notice. Senior trips and programming were also canceled until further notice. The sheriff has also closed the public lobby of the detention facility. Additional non-essential services are being reviewed for adjustment as appropriate. Any closures or changes to operations will be disseminated through social media outlets, the county website, and media as those adjustments are made. During this time, we urge the public to remain calm, continue to practice hand washing, sanitizing, and social distancing measures as recommended by SCDHEC and CDC. The county will continue to be deliberate and methodical in our response to this public health risk. That's what I have to say about the coronavirus. The next thing is the presentations. The first one is a safety